In this video, I show you how to fix Imo floating video call not working problem. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now find out Emote app, search for Imo, tap on Imo, tap on force a stop, then OK. Scroll down, then find out display over other apps, tap on it, allow it. If you cannot find display over other apps, you can also find picture in picture. Click on it, then allow picture in picture, then open your Now I hope that this method fixes your video call floating call not working problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.